Hello children, welcome back to the other new session. Okay, in previous session symmetry chapter we have discussed now. Yes, today we are going to discuss understanding 2D 3D shapes. Understanding 2D 3D shapes. What is 2D shape? What is the 3D shape, children? 2D and 3D shapes. 2D and 3D shapes. Okay children, we will discuss. What are the 2D? D means dimensions. 2-dimensional pictures, 3-dimensional pictures. So, in previous classes we have discussed 2D, 2-dimensional pictures, children. What are the 2-dimensional pictures? See children, we have square, rectangle, triangle. These are all 2-dimensional pictures. Okay, yes, suppose a rectangle. Rectangle, okay. So it has only 2 dimensions, children. Suppose this is the paper. It is the rectangle picture now, children. See, it has only length, breadth, because it is also length only. Okay, so length, breadth. That means the rectangle has only 2 dimensions. What are they? Length and breadth. Breadth. Okay, so the only 2 dimensions rectangle has, length and breadth. Okay, suppose square. Square. Okay, square. So square also we have only 2 dimensions, children. Okay, what are they? Length, breadth. Anything you can take, children, because 4 sides are the same in square. Yes, anything you can take as length or breadth. Okay, so only 2 dimensions we have, that is length and breadth. Suppose cuboid I am taking, children. Okay, 3 dimensions. How can we take 3 dimensions? See. Suppose this is box. Okay. In this box, how many dimensions we have? See children, how can we take it? This is the 1 dimension. This is one of the dimensions. It is also one of the dimensions. Okay, suppose rectangle means only this face we are taking, children. Length, breadth. Length, breadth. Okay, but in 3 dimensions we can take length, breadth, height. Extra 1 dimension is added, children. Okay, so length, breadth, height. This is the 3 dimensions. Okay, suppose if we take paper, only 2 dimensions, length, breadth, that's all. But here we have length, breadth, height. You can observe, children, 3 dimensions we have. So what is this picture, children? Can you observe? Can you identify? This picture is cuboid. What is that? Cuboid. Cuboid. How can we draw the picture? Like this. 1 rectangle you can take. Okay, so length, breadth, height. Height, length, breadth, height. Okay, so 3 dimensions we can take, children. 3 dimensions we can take. Next, children, suppose. So it has, see how many faces we have? Faces, faces, vertices, edges. Edges, faces, vertices, edges. So how many faces we have in cuboid picture? See children, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces we have? 6 faces. 6 faces. Next, vertices. See children, vertices means any two sides join at a point. That is only vertice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertices we have in cuboid? 8 vertices. Next, edges. How many edges we have children? See. 1, 2 faces. Where the 2 faces join, that is edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally in this cuboid we have 12 edges. How many edges children? 12 edges. Okay, so 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Can you tell children some more objects in cuboid shape? Yes, we can say children. What we can say, suppose. What is this? Eraser. It is in the shape of cuboid. Have you understood children what is the cuboid? Yes. Geometry box is the cuboid. Almara is the cuboid. These are all examples of cuboid pictures. Okay. Next we have cube. What is that? Cube children. Cube means see. Okay, so length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. Okay, here also cube picture I don't have children. Okay, cube also same as cuboid only, but here we have rectangular faces children, they square faces. Okay, so in this also faces 6, vertices 8, edges are 12. How can we count faces or edges or vertices? Just now we have discussed children. Okay, so this is the cube children. How many faces we have? 6 faces, 8 vertices, edges 12. Okay, next we have the other 2 shapes children. What are they? Cylinder and cylinder. Cylinder means what children? See, you can observe here. Suppose this is the water bottle. Okay, what is this shape children? Cylindrical shape. Okay, how can we identify is it cylinder or not, cylindrical shape or not? Yes, we can understand children. This is the vertical face children. See, vertical face. Okay, top and the bottom are circular edges. Circular edges. Yes, see, you can observe children. Circle. This side also. Circle. Okay, so 2 circular edges and 1 circular faces. Okay, see. So, okay, so circular face, circular path, it's better, circular path. Next, 2 circular edges. Two circular edges. What are they? Top and bottom. Yes. Can you say examples children? Suppose this marker. Is it cylinder or not, children? Yes. Okay. Next, suppose it is. Is it cylinder shape only, children? See, circular path we have. Next, circular edges we have, top and the bottom. Okay. It is also cylindrical shape only. So, these are all the examples of cylindrical shape, children. So, circular path we have, children. Next, two circular edges we have. Next. Cone. Cone. Yes, cone. Ice cream cone, children. Suppose how it is like this, no? Yes. So one vertex we have. Suppose like this, children. See, this is the cone, children. Okay, so this is the vertex, this is the circular path. Okay, so top is circular edge, children. Top is circular edge. Okay, so how can we write? One vertex, one vertex. This is the vertex, children. Next, circular path, circular path. Okay, so circular path. Next, top or bottom, we have circular edge, circular edge. Circular edge. Okay, so where we have height? See, children, here, suppose here we can take the height, children, in this picture. Yes, so vertex we have, no? So from here to bottom is the circular edge, no, children? Here center we have, no? In circle shape we have center. Okay, so here to here distance is height. What is that? Height. Suppose here to here also we have height, no, children? This height we call as slant height. Slant height. Okay, center to vertex we have height of the cone. Okay, so this is the slant height. Okay, next, children, we have one vertex, okay, one circular path, one circular edge. This is the cone, children. What are the examples we can say, children? Ice cream cone, joker caps. Okay, these are all cone examples. Next, sphere. Sphere. Okay, see. What is this, children? Ball. Okay. Is there any edges or any vertices? Any faces, children? No, we don't have anything. Only we have circular path. Okay, circular path. Okay, so this is only one of the only one quality it has, children. Circular path. There is no vertices, there is no faces, there is no edges. Okay. What are the examples, children? What examples we can say? Suppose lemon. Next, laddu. Next, like this. So many examples we can say. Okay. Yes. So, circular path. Circular path. Okay. So, in this class what we have discussed, children? Just introduction of two-dimensional pictures and three-dimensional pictures. What are the two-dimensionals? Length and breadth. Okay. So, rectangle, square we discussed. Next we have three dimensions, length, breadth and also height. Cuboid picture we have discussed, children. How many edges we have? 12 edges. How many faces we have? 6 faces. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, so cube also same, children. Next, cylinder we have discussed, sphere we have discussed, cone also we have discussed. Okay, I hope you understand, children. Small assignment I will give you. Write the examples of cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay, so you can write the examples of cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder and sphere. I hope you understand, children. Thank you.